At the time of the knights, when the knights came to Malta, 1530, they went to Brugg first, the place that you visited. And they put their galleys there. They came here, saw the city. However, they wanted, being a naval, of course, they wanted to be closer to their galleys. So they settled in Brugg. And here it was left to the nobles. It was attacked many times. We will talk about that later. 1551 and then 1565 there was the Great Siege. So 1693 was a devastating year for the city of Mdina. Why? Because as I explained, there is a layer of clay. There was a huge earthquake. The epicenter was Sicily, which was very close, and being on a clay layer.
So if something happened in Sicily,
1693, there was a huge earthquake in Sicily.
Earthquake.
Many towns were destroyed in Sicily, and this also affected. And this was the one that was. So it was left like that for roughly around 30 years until one of the grandmasters, Grandmaster Mdina, decided to revamp the city. To build it, and he wanted to really make it different, so much so that he renewed it. The gate that you are looking at was not the gate that when the knights came to Malta they walked in, because the gate is there. As if you look onto the right hand side, there is the actual gate. Can you see it's closed in, it's built in? Okay, that is the actual gate that was there before they built again the new entrance. So this would not have been, obviously, like, come on, I mean, just to be my guess, there would have been a drawbridge, a wooden drawbridge that would have been put up every night. I will explain later. Now, one of the things you will observe is the moat. Moats were very important. First of all, it is another obstacle for the enemy who goes into the city. Secondly, with new weaponry, they had to all the time make the moat wider. New siege weapons could reach more. Now, it was never. It was always a dry edge. First of all, we're in Malta, it doesn't rain much. Secondly, the stone is porous. You can see this is our natural stone.
Yes.
It's very porous, it can't hold water. Thirdly, because of infections. If you have a moat full of water that's there, lots of mosquito infections, the knights are obviously very much aware of this. So let's go in. As we go in, observe the entrance and the coat of arms above the door. Look at the coat of arms. See? Then you can see Grandmaster Mdina. His coat of arms is the winged arm with the dagger.
Yeah.
That's mine. A number of cars coming to the city.
Bonita Barranea.
So one of the first buildings.
You can speak a little bit louder.
Yes. You don't know to put me on YouTube.
Thank you. I have a channel, but usually I put only working tours. without guide.
Okay, so you're not going to
I think to start another channel, and this will be, I think, the first video, only the audio, so you
Okay.
will not be physically present.
Okay, but it
Yeah,
will be
if you are
the whole explanation will be on YouTube.
Yeah. You are not agree?
No. Even not compared to the other guys, like different explanation is different. It's like my own repertoire. Really?
Alright, so I will
That
not
is-
put the audio. I put some music.
Okay, bits and pieces, yeah, but not, because every guy has his own reason.
Okay, I will stop.